Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to edit shapes in photopea. Let's begin. You can use any shape. Edit shape. See this, click the shape layer, transform control, resize and use custom size. Hold shift, then resize custom size. Again click the shape layer, click shape icon, then change fill color, change stroke color, use stroke or do not use stroke, or do not use fill as you wish. Again hold control, select anywhere, add anchor point, right click on your mouse, add anchor point, click anywhere, then add anchor point. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.